What is up, YouTube? And today we are going to be reacting to Mama Whoops by Dtay Known. Dtay Known finally posted. When was the last time he posted? He posted like what? Like a month ago. He just posted the new one today, so that's what we're gonna be reacting to. Oh, not even today. It was like 4 days ago. My fault. But as I was saying, we're just gonna react to it, and without further ado, let's get right straight into the video. Alright, so we got the video right here. Without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Waiting on their kids, we ain't going home.
Okay. Oh, I'm sick, so I forgot to tell y'all.
Parents are waiting on their kids, we ain't going home. Parents are waiting on their kids, we ain't going home. Parents are waiting on their kids, we ain't going home.
Okay.
Kids is the only thing we need. I want them to go, but they don't want to leave.
Yo, I'm getting high.
I'm paying rent, but it's whooping's free.
Yo, this is fire already. Yo, this is fire.
I'm tired of my parents, man. Yeah. I'm tired of it. Yeah. We ain't gotta take this. No. We gonna rebel. Yeah. And if stuff goes wrong, listen up. I made a rap. Yeah, take a look.
Oh, okay.
That's gonna fit all of us?
No.
If they ain't gonna work out, we gonna shoot a flare, come back here. It's gonna work. we gonna take it. And we gonna look.
What is wrong?
Wait, did y'all hear that? Yeah, bro, it ain't nothing over there. You tripping. Stop messing up the vibe. All right, bro. Now back to what I was saying. Worst come to worst, we'll take that raft, go to that island, make life over there, make our own rules, and be our own parents. Who's with me? My parents aren't even gonna see this coming, bro. That's what I'm saying. Who gonna tell them? I don't know about this. Yeah! Yeah! Let's rebel!
Yeah.
On their kids, we ain't going home.
Okay.
Waiting on their kids, we ain't going home.
Okay.
Waiting on their kids, we ain't going home.
Yeah.
Waiting on their kids, we ain't going home.
Yeah. Kids.
Yo, that's what's
Kids is the
up,
only thing we need.
It's
I
actually
want
like
them
a
to go,
rap
but they don't want to leave.
like a real rap song.
Not paying rent, but it's whooping's free. Plucking children, bro, got the gang
Yeah.
now. We in
Yeah.
mama mode.
Yeah.
We gon'
Yeah.
show they can't rebel to
Yeah.
mamas. You
Yeah.
already know.
Yeah.
Don't wish
Yeah.
this you didn't start.
Yeah.
We ain't worried though.
Yeah.
Get the
Yeah.
right and left side.
Yeah.
I got middle
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
Let's split up, meet at the spot, go. We ain't stressing about these kids, where they gon' go. If we
Yo,
get
I wish
caught,
I had
then
a
whooping
camera
sitting
right now
different,
so I can
bro.
show
Stop
y'all
not
the
getting in
reaction.
trouble.
Pop
See
my
the
head and
woods, let's
everything.
hide
This
that
go
for
hard.
sure. I know a spot that's mad safe. Let's hide up in the stove. Kids think they slick, man. Let's go and bring them home. I'ma hide inside this thing and stay. Won't see my head or toe. Everybody's safe now. Time to crack the code. Bust down everything. Our favorite children told. How they find out, I figured. Our snitching little bros. Climbing this, you think they could? Bro, how they even know? Going home, I think you should. Let's have a public show. Hey, gotta throw a party for the mamas. Neighbors gon' think it's July 4th, let's celebrate something. Rest in peace, goodbye me. Hello, what you doing? Nothing. Plan B is the
this
final
is fire.
All the kids running. Hey, gotta throw a party for the mamas. Neighbors gon' think it's July 4th, let's celebrate something. Plan B is the final op. All the kids running. This rap should've been bigger. Hey, gotta throw a party for the mamas. Neighbors gon' think it's July 4th, let's celebrate something. Rest in peace, y'all too, kings. Nowhere left for running. Matter of time before they find us. If they do, bro, you know they gon' whoop it.
Spin the belt twice, disrespect, you get the pops. Smack the backside of his head where it arched. D4L, we come out when they go.
Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Yo. Oh, why sound like that? Why did it sound like that? Hold up. Yo, the pops coming. That was hard as I don't know what.
Side of his head where it arched. D4L, we come back. backside of spin the belt twice.
Hold up.
Matter of time before they find us. If they do, bro, you know they gon'
whoop it. Spin the belt twice. Disrespect, you get the pops. Smack the backside of his head where it arched. We come out when they go off.
Big sketcher. He came with a tone, but he left with a clincher. Let your mama drive while I whoop team effort. Asking all them questions, but ain't ask him this semester. Asked her crush your felon, made you cute, it ain't impress her.
I be with my belt like you be with your parent tester.
Don't test me.
Talking back, this belt is two, let's conversate together.
Yo, that's so
all the
hard.
rules you break, probably how you beat me in checkers. Now give your phone in game. You're not fair. Nope, I'm Papa Exum. I said my name's Papa Exum. I said my name is Pops for life. Came with a switch. If I was you kids, I would've stopped and read the script.
Put your hands in the air, it's a stick up.
I say it twice, can't say it nice, don't try to clench up.
If you standing on the lot, better snitch up.
This dad's playing what you thought, better look up.
Fell in love and feel with mama, so I listen.
How I treat you and treat your brother, there's no difference.
Yeah, your pop Samson cracks at home, we don't need this.
Don't know Facebook, so I'm not your little prison. Last kid that tried to leave got crocked running. How you trying to come get fresh with me, but you musty? He asked me, am I in trouble? I said, come and trust me. Dodge a crock 20 times, dang that brother lucky. Dang that brother lucky.
Hey, gotta throw a party for the mamas. Neighbors gon' think it's July 4th, let's celebrate some. Rest in peace, y'all too, king. Hello, what you doing? Nothing. Plan B is the final op. All the kids running, kids running, kids running, kids running, kids running. Plan B is the final op. All the kids running, kids running, kids running, kids running.
Yo, that's fire. I don't know what. Yo, that was so freaking hype, bro. Just got a voice crack. But yo, that was so hype. Y'all heard that, right? Yo, when he slapped him in his, that was funny as I don't know what. Yo, that was funny. Hold on, I gotta see that again. Hold up. Hold on, I gotta cough. But yeah, like I said, I was sick.
Disrespect, you get the pops. Smack the backside of his.
For the mamas, neighbors gon' think it's July 4th, let's celebrate some. Plan B is the final op. All the kids running.
But anyway, let's stop. But today, bro, that was a fire video. I'm not even gonna lie. But we got more on the way. I'm sorry I haven't really been posting because I was sick for the last like 2 days. So yeah, but we back at it again. You know what I'm saying? We come back better than ever. You know what I'm saying? And without further ado, I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace. If you know what I'm saying.